The future of work isn't coming, it's already here, woven quietly into our daily routines. AI is transforming the workplace, not with fanfare, but through the silent hum of servers and lines of code. When you chat with customer service or see a perfectly targeted ad, chances are you're interacting with AI. The code behind your favorite apps may have been written, or improved, by a machine. This isn't science fiction, it's the reality shaping our economy right now. AI's integration into the workforce is a practical decision, made daily in boardrooms worldwide. Unlike past industrial revolutions, this one is invisible, powered by data, not steel. The workforce is being augmented, and sometimes replaced without dramatic upheaval. The question isn't if AI will take over jobs, but which ones it already has, and how we'll adapt. This revolution challenges our ideas of productivity, skill, and even purpose. As tasks that once defined us become automated, we're called to understand and shape this new reality. The story of AI and work is, ultimately, the story of us. So, what is an AI employee? Forget the sci-fi robots. Think powerful software, working tirelessly behind the scenes. These digital co-workers are algorithms trained for specific tasks, living on servers, not in metal bodies. They don't need breaks or vacations. They work 24/7, processing information at superhuman speeds. Some handle thousands of customer inquiries at once, others analyze market data or even write code. AI employees learn from every interaction, constantly improving without formal reviews. Their training starts with massive datasets, millions of conversations, transactions, or documents. Through machine learning, they generate new, relevant responses, not just repeat scripts. The real power? Scalability. If demand spikes, companies deploy more AI. No hiring spree required. This flexibility is reshaping how businesses operate. Human roles shift from doing tasks to overseeing and directing AI output. The digital workforce is efficient, scalable, and tireless. Business leaders are harnessing this power to transform their companies. The structure of the modern workplace is being fundamentally rewritten. This isn't hypothetical. Major companies are already integrating AI into their core operations. In customer support, telecom and banking giants use chatbots and voice assistants to handle routine inquiries, freeing humans for complex cases. In marketing, AI generates a copy, designs logos, and creates video campaigns, analyzing data to optimize every detail. Human roles now focus on creative direction and oversight, not repetitive production. Even software development is changing. Tools like GitHub Copilot suggest code, accelerating workflows and boosting productivity. In finance, AI executes trades at lightning speed. In logistics, it optimizes shipping routes in real time. HR departments use AI to screen resumes and conduct initial interviews. The pioneers aren't just cutting costs, they're building more efficient, responsive, data-driven organizations. The playbook for the future of business is being written now. Human and artificial intelligence are working in tandem. This is the new standard for competitive advantage. Not all jobs face the same risk from AI. Roles built on routine, predictable tasks, like data entry, bookkeeping, and basic customer service, are prime targets for automation. AI can process invoices, manage databases, and handle scripted conversations faster and more accurately than humans. Even analytical roles, junior analysts, paralegals, market researchers, are being transformed as AI scans and summarizes vast information in seconds. The traditional career ladder in these fields is changing. Value now lies in using and interpreting AI tools, not just performing tasks. The focus shifts from doing the work to overseeing it and handling exceptions. For those relying solely on routine skills, automation is an immediate threat. Adaptation is essential for survival in this new landscape. While some jobs fade, others flourish, especially those rooted in creativity, strategy, and human connection. Leadership, negotiation, and people management are more valuable than ever. These emotional skills remain out of AI's reach. Skilled trades, plumbing, electrical work require dexterity and adaptability that machines can't match. Creative professions are evolving. Artists, writers, and designers now use AI as a tool to amplify their unique visions. The value shifts from technical skill to originality and emotional resonance. Human creators become conductors, guiding AI to realize their ideas. New roles are emerging too. AI ethicists, trainers, system managers, and prompt engineers. These jobs sit at the intersection of human insight and machine intelligence. The most secure roles are those AI can't do, and those created because AI exists. The future belongs to those who blend human strengths with AI capabilities. Facing this shift, uncertainty is natural, but fear isn't a strategy. The key isn't to compete with AI, but to evolve alongside it. Embrace lifelong learning. Today's valuable skills may be obsolete in 5 years. Become AI literate. Understand what AI can and can't do, even if you're not a programmer. Explore AI tools relevant to your field. Hands-on experience is invaluable. Double down on creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. These are your greatest assets. Practice collaborative, problem-solving, and strategic thinking. Combine your expertise with AI tools. Marketers, writers, analysts, all can use AI to enhance their work. The goal is to become an AI-augmented professional. Pairing your knowledge with AI's power creates unique value. You become the essential human in the loop, the pilot of the technology. Adaptability and curiosity are your best tools for the future. Reinvent yourself to stay ahead. The future workplace isn't a battleground, it's a collaboration. Success will come to those who master the human-AI partnership. Think of AI as the ultimate intern, handling tedious tasks so you can focus on thinking, creating, and connecting. Designers, for example, can use AI to generate options, then curate and refine the best ideas. In medicine, AI analyzes data, but doctors interpret results and provide empathy. The human touch remains essential, even as AI amplifies our abilities. To collaborate effectively, we must learn prompt engineering, asking the right questions to get the best results from AI. This new communication skill unlocks unprecedented potential. The future of work is a dynamic dialogue between human creativity and artificial intelligence. Fast forward to 2030, the AI assistant is as common as email. Knowledge workers start their day with AI-organized schedules and summaries. Teams are smaller, more agile, and powered by AI tools. Routine departments shrink as human experts focus on strategy and relationships. Job interviews test your ability to use AI, not just your experience. Careers become portfolios of projects, not linear ladders. Continuous learning is essential. With micro-credentials and rapid skill training, automation frees us from drudgery, letting us focus on meaningful, creative work. The promise work becomes about purpose and problem-solving, not repetition. We stand at a historic crossroads. AI is as transformative as fire or the printing press. It can solve massive challenges, but also forces us to rethink our roles. Technology is neutral. How we use it is up to us. We can be passive, risk obsolescence, or resist and fall behind. Or, we can engage, learn, and shape AI to amplify our potential. Becoming architects of the future means embracing curiosity, adaptability, and our uniquely human traits. AI can be a partner, but we must draw the blueprints. The road ahead will be challenging, but it's a chance for empowerment, not obsolescence. By working with AI, we redefine work and unlock higher goals. The future isn't written, we are its authors. Will you be replaced by AI, or amplified by it?